Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl, have a lovely day.
I don't bring nobody forward in here for cheer for me. Everything what you see up, man, natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, man.
Well, go on, my people. Hope everybody doing okay. Hope everybody doing alright. Watch me. Yeah, man, watch me. That me I tell you, come watch me right now. And I really mean me I talk about me, I talk about the song we're busy though. And you see that song we're busy though, people. A whole heap of people can relate to it. A whole heap of people follow a friend and left them significant other. And when they left your significant other, and like in a time like this now, when rain and fall and them thing there, snow, you get me I say? And you get cold and you want somebody to roll over to a roll over pan. There's nobody for you to roll over on. So only can stay there, follow a friend, and mash up on a little relationship when I build for how long? Whilst the friend can't lock them with feed them significant other. But watch me now. Watch me. Me and I go watch me and talk about a busy song. Because that song is big. And big up. Yeah man, big up to the people that will come on the live. And the live was a success. And upon the live, somebody tell you about this song. And I say, what do you mean by busy song? Busy watch me. I don't review all the busy song. But I know everybody's supposed to say me. I want the only man to review the busy song. I don't know how many miss that one. But this song, this is a song about people. So, when you can pause the video, go listen to the song and then come back, come listen to the review. So that song about that. When me I tell you to do that, I show me at that. Bad.
Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl, have a lovely day.
Them say every who of them stick a bush, but me I the stick a bush to every female. And me I tell you that. And that's a fact. Female them not fi agree with me, but me know say me I the stick for all of them. You know for them little bush. But me tell you something though. When she says she is leaving, make she go on. Yeah, man. Just hurry all up. Say, go on, man. Because me sure know, say, when you leave and go, this I don't really go. Because there's no better. Everybody can say that to themselves. Say, yo, if I leave me and go there, it now go get better. Yeah, man. Because you have some man who make some real sacrifices, some females, and them go see it until them decide, say, they're going to try and go out there for try and prove a point. And when they out there and them start struggling, they must say, yo, should I go better and go back to that person that called me there, that person there, the thing did kind of better and the thing did kind of upset the way. Likewise, the female them can say the same thing. So that song I can put in whichever bracket you want to put it. But because I busy sing the song there, we have to talk from that perspective. Yeah. But you can switch it into female. And say, yo, they're going to not enough food. They're not going to find a girl for you cook for them and do the things that me can do for them. So yeah, female them can say that to see me. So a bad song can relate both ways.
Look how much time you say you're leaving and me never beg you come back. When me an easy girl, you never give me comfort.
Never in life you try to hold on to something that don't want to be hold on to. Yeah, man. Never you try to hold on to a significant other way decide say, watch you know, me want to go. Leave them, let them go at them own pace. You see, worse as a busy, I say, worse when you're uneasy. Worse when you go through your stress, you never hit only. I say, yo, put the head right there, so. Let me rub down the head up on that shoulder and make sure you're alright. Let me show you, say, watch out, I'm dead for you. Never you try hold them. Never you try stop them from leaving, make them go on. Make them on, because over and over we see which part of the road they like. Them are going to stay there and I'm going to say, yo, because man easy make me cheat, because me that. Me I tell you no father will come here today and go on like say. Nothing no go so, but it goes so. It probably not happen to you yet. Because this is something that happen to everybody. Happen to everybody in a life. Somebody want to go and not hold on for what reason? What the cause make you hold on? Because you have people hold on for different reasons. Because right there are some people who decide to hold on for a relationship because are just convenience. Are just monetary value. Or just the fact me not have nowhere to go, me I go and hold on until me have somewhere to go. No, find somewhere to go. You must did that come from somewhere before you reach right there. So if I don't want to shock you in with your parents, them go back in a little shock. Yeah man, nobody stay there and make yourself uncomfortable, make the person uncomfortable.
But now you want me back again. To you see me apart with a sexy friend. Me used to treat you so nice, but you never appreciate that.
As a bounty killer, they say, well, this is my experience. So people always want to get to know my view. So I can know a little bit about my view now. And me can talk of experience. Me remember one time, me that talk to this girl. And her niece tell her, I said, I was showing up on the program, her niece tell her, I said, Auntie, don't give her your 40 for 10. I mean, never really understand the niece that's at that time. Long after I understand, Auntie say, yo, so that you tell me you have, don't give me, no matter how much him bad and him brain. You now go find nothing on the road like him, I go treat you how him treat you. But me not say no, me just love her. Me just love her to make she go on because she say, back of girls they may have a make she uneasy and uncomfortable and this and that. And me I say, but be member say, yo, you have wife and you have the concubines them. Me I treat her like the wife, but me I don't the concubines them. The concubines them stay one side. But so she not fall for that. She go out, they go ray. And I say, go on, and I lower her, make she go on, people. But guess what? She beg for come back, cause she see me go so boom, can me tell you, You see, people them want encourage you to go. One of them want come, One of them want come, cause one of them want say, watch on man, she don't fear get a nice treatment, them me fear get it. So when she see me with a new shorty, she like, yo. But that girl and that girl family, and rare, me and that girl like that. I say, watch you now. Watch that people. Real life story. One next time I give you full story still.
Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out in the end.
Years as man or as real girls will be hearing this song. Yeah man, for years. So this is something where we grew up to and grew up at here. You make your friend them tell you this and your friend them tell you that. But when the night get cold and your friend them have freedom door shut on somebody for hold on to. Who you ever hold on to? Teddy bear and pillar? Teddy bear and pillar you start hold on to. Because, listen to people. You make your friend them watch out their business and advise you if you left the boy. Left it out the boy. This and that and right. That's how that works. Your thing say, if you want to go, me I go tell you say, don't go. Me I encourage you to leave. Me, I encourage you to leave. Like anybody can tell you that about me. Me, I encourage you to leave because guess what? I know you are going to go fail. Me know and you know say you are going to go fail and me, I encourage you to leave. It's just like if me I pass by the road and I saw a man like a rope on him neck and them thing there. I'm going to decide say more and jump. Me I go tell him jump. Me I be honest with the people. Me I go say jump. And me I say hurry up and jump because I want to see where you jump. Me want to tell the tale. Because why you don't want to live life was so nice for us to jump? And I must something you want to find out what go on banter side I will. So I not going to encourage you to do it. Me I going to encourage you to do it. That's one thing me in people. Me always encourage people. And me not going to make a battle in them, brother. But such what I name something.
So why you still and watch me? You know I say you want your friend them a be a paparazzi.
You know what I think I don't like? And busy saying that the song, but him saying that many words. So, you decide say you want to leave, right? But you decide say you want to watch me because you don't feel like if you take up anything. And you don't feel like this or that the girl ever come hurt me. So why all of a sudden you're so interested in what me do with my life or who me talk to? Why? Why are you that interested? Like me ask you, be honest with me. Just tell me the truth. Why? Go on your ways, man. Go on your ways. You don't need to come and watch me or come and say nothing about me. Go on your ways. Yeah, your friend them can go on the ways. Me not need you. Me not need the energy around me. Please, me I beg you, alright?
Once it true you can't find nobody out there to match me. That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy.
As me say, me can pick the line and say me like it and talk with confidence. If you decide say you step out, there's no uphill for you. There's just downhill. And I wish bad for you, but because some of the things them we as man do for uno. Like some man or some real man me I tell you about some real gals take care of the one of them. I'm saying we take care of the one of them and we treat the concubines them how them to be treated. So all you feel like say yo yeah I'll go to the road and find something where I'll uplift you. Remember I tell you one, Remember 10 to 1. You get me? I say, and that is something I always remember. Remember, you can go back, go listen to the Chris Martin song and come listen to that busy song, you know, and the two of them can intertwine and relate to each other. Because they're two big songs, but nobody now come review them because of them. I don't know people. I don't know, like, I see one little person jump into my DM and I say, yo, you know, review young artists, so I go on, they can't give you a strength because when it dress a man and the man them charge you a high fee and a high price. I say, what you talk about? But people are talk about high fee and high price, so next day when I see the man them charge the people, them and me just over here do it for love. Me I didn't feel love, you know, me I make people know music and know say good music still I make and I try keep and dance and some man I do it that way them, but them want do it that way, them do it that way, they get me. I say like, yeah man. If you don't want to get sponsor, I think I'll give a man a thing and say, you run out that tune, they just do it that way, but you're not afraid to do it or not. Anyways, talk about that one next day.
I told you, see me move on now. Me and my new friend, I get with groove on now. I'm comfortable in who's I'm now. You want to know?
You see, anytime you go so boom and move on in life, you make a step in the right direction. And as Busy say, you stop, make a groove on now. That's how you just say, groove in my girl. Oh. The ex them are going to start talk and them are going to start say, yo, well, I go on, they say enough happy, you know. Me, I going to make your life miserable and that them are going to do. But I tell you, we've been through it. We've been through, that's why we talk about experience, you know. As a girl, we've been through certain things. You get me? I say, we've been there, we've done that, and we know the rules and laws. But anyway, people, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a next friend, say, yo, forward over here, so my view. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you want to leave a dislike, you can leave a dislike because everything counts and everything matters. You get me? I say, so your dislike, we're alright with it. Uno look 18 person, yeah man, because we average it off and say 18 set a person really I cover that dislike the thing them on a daily basis. But we're alright with them. We love them too. And we love them too. But anyway, watch me. Yeah man, just watch me. Busy signal. Busy.
I bet you want to know. Alright then, you build fake pages and I try to reach out.